Hi, I will be having a 6-week course called From Ruins to Rebuild. From Ruins to Rebuild. And you may be asking, well, why am I having a class like that? Well, because what I had done is I had taken the story of Nehemiah. Nehemiah was so heartbroken over the ruins in Jerusalem. And I thought about how much that applied to some of us today, how our lives are in ruins and we don't even know how to rebuild. And I mean, our lives have been in ruin for years and years. And I just wanted to take that concept, that strategy, and see how I could help people to go from ruins to rebuilding their lives for 2026. And I believe that we could do it. I believe that we should. Who wants to stay in ruins for the rest of their lives? And many of us have done it for so many years. I wanted to share something with you. Is your life in ruins right now? Is your life in ruins? Is your calling in ruins? Is your business in ruins? Whatever it is, if it's in ruins, then we could help you. We could actually help you. And that's by taking steps of where you are right now. Because there's no sense in you continuing to waddle in your ruins today. Also, people had learned to live in their ruins. Can you believe that? We could get so used to living in our ruins, in our brokenness. And that happens every day. And if we're not really conscious of it, we'll live that way for the rest of our lives. And so this is what this 6-week course is about, is to take you from ruins to rebuilding your life, to success, to winning results. This course is for you if you feel called but stuck. If you feel like God has called you to do something, but you're stuck and you don't know what to do. It may be you don't know the resources. It may be anxiety, depression, or whatever. But we are going to work through those things because you're not going to stay there. You started something but didn't finish it. How many of us continue to start something and don't finish it? We keep starting and stopping and starting and stopping and just never finish it. And that cannot get you to a winning place in your life. You will stay in ruins. So this is what you're going to leave with by taking this 6-week paid course, From Ruins to Rebuilding. You're going to stop rebuilding emotionally and start rebuilding strategically, because most of us are rebuilding emotionally. Sadness, depression, anxiety. That's what you're rebuilding. You have to get over that. You can't get anywhere towards success building and rebuilding your emotions. You're going to gain clarity, confidence, and courage to move forward. How many of us need clarity? There's resources out there, and I want to help you reach those resources so that you can move forward. And also, when you have clarity, you get confidence too. You want to finish what God told you to build. You want to finish what God has told you to build. If God has told you to build something, you want to finish it. And let me tell you why. Because He has already planned those steps ahead of you. He's ahead of you, and He just wants you to follow. And when you make that first step, He'll tell you the next one, and so on. So this course is going to teach you all of those things. This is a paid 6-week course that's going to take you from ruins to being rebuilt in your life. We're taking strategies, successful strategies to get you to a place and out of this ruin of your life. So what I want you to do is, in this YouTube channel, I want you to click on description. There's a Eventbrite link. Click onto that and sign up immediately, because we want to go ahead and get you started. It starts February 19th until March 28th. February 19th until March 28th, 2026 at 7:15 p.m. So let me help you, and let's get started soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.